Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your vehicle value through the Geico mobile app in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you got to do is to open the Geico mobile app on your smartphone or your tablet. And once you next you're gonna do once the app is open is to log into your account using your username and password. Now, once you're logged into your device, into your account, you're just gonna click on the policy details and then select the policy that includes the vehicle that you want to update. Next thing you got to do is to click on the vehicle that you want to update and select edit vehicle. Now you're gonna need to enter the new value of your vehicle and click save changes. Be sure to review and confirm the changes to your policy just to make sure that everything is accurate. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your vehicle value through the Geico mobile app in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys